So it has been a day, but we're here. We've got our Christmas shirt on. I got my candle lit, so let's go day 2 Christmas crochet along. I did start the jade border yesterday, and then I got overwhelmed and I stopped. So I have a couple more rows of this color to do, and then I've got the red to do, and that's it for this week. So let's see if we can knock this out real quick. Okay, it's just on my day. I did like a little bit and I was like, this is not looking correct. Apparently I can't read, so I did all of these scallops too close together and forgot to put a double crochet in between each one. So here we go, gonna frog it. Let's not be stupid this time. That is so much better. Okay, so we've got our little things. Okay, I'm gonna do something illegal. Don't tell anybody, as I tell everybody. This stinking, sneaky little bugger of a stitch, I don't even know where I'm off. It must be in the previous row, but I've already done this row now twice, and I've only got one space. I'm supposed to have 2 before I do my last double crochet. I'm just gonna do it. You do whatever you want to do, but I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Okay, confession time. I just finished all the way around, except for now I have an extra stitch. I have 2 extra stitches here. And I had 1 less stitch on the bottom. So something happened when I think it was when I was doing my white border, but you know what? I'm not going back. I have decided I'm done. So I'm gonna just stretch this out. I am gonna frog back right here and do this one more time just to even out the top. Then we're gonna move on to the Ladybird red. Okay, so I just finished this first round of the Ladybird, and I realize now that I was supposed to like have these little gaps here, and there's multiple spots. I went on to do the next round and I'm finding lots of spots where I forgot to do those gaps. Oh my gosh. This is how much I was able to save before I made a mistake. 25 minutes later, and I just redid my first row of the red without the mistake that was just like scattered throughout it. I just found another mistake in the same row that I've already redone twice. I can't leave it because it's gonna make this corner wonky. Instead of having 4 stitches here, I have 6, and I don't know why. So I think there should be a rule of if you have to redo the same row 3 times in one day, you have to stop and do it a different day. So that's all for today. Let me rip this out, and I will pick this back up tomorrow when my brain is working correctly. So RIP the last hour and a half of my life. Okay, it's the next morning. I only took about 15 minutes to finish up what I left off yesterday. I just wasn't in the right headspace to do it yesterday. So we're done with the Ladybird round. There was nothing wrong with the pattern. It was just my brain was not braining. So she said that her block measured 13 3/4, and I'm sitting right at 13 1/2. Once it blocks, I think I'll actually have that extra 1/4 of an inch. So